Passion Education Network.
It's Passion Education Network PEN. As in the previous class, we have learned to solve simultaneous linear equations by the help of substitution method. In today's class, we would be solving one question of solving simultaneous linear equation by the help of graphical method. So what is a graphical method? A graphical solution is the point of intersection found by drawing two linear equations on the same axis. So let's see our equation. It's 2x minus 5y equals to 32, 2x plus 3y equals to 0. So now first of all we have to plot 3 points to obtain the graph of a linear equation. So for example, take the first equation that's 2x minus 5y equals to 32. So for this equation, we have to choose 3 values of x. So we have to randomly pick any values. It doesn't affect your answer. So for example, I have chosen -4, 1, and 6 as the values of x. So then we have to put these value in the equation as the value of x. So now, so for example, the first is -4. So our equation is 2x minus 5y equals to 32. So 2 minus 4 is that the value of x, minus 5y equals to 32. So now 2 multiplied by 4, 8, and minus. Then minus 5y equals to 32. Now minus 5y equals to 32, and the 8 is shifting on that side, so its sign will be changed. Now minus 5y and 32 plus 8 equals to 40, and then y equals to minus 8. So we have found the value of y when in the equation when x equals to -4. Now then the second value of x is 1. So when x equals to 1, y equals to, let's find out. So 2x minus 5y equals to 32. 2x, the value of x is 1, so minus 5y equals to 32. 2 minus 5y equals to 32. Then it would be minus 5y equals to 32 plus minus 2. So it would be minus 2 because the sign has changed because it is shifted on that side. So 30 equals to minus 5y, and then simplified. Yeah, so we have simplified it, and it would be y is equals to minus 6. So we have the value and then our last value. So what would be our last value? When x is equals to 6? So y would be, let's find out and put it in the equation. So 2x minus 5y equals to 32. 6 minus 5y equals to 32. Minus 5y equals to 2 6 are 12. So and then we got our, so 32 minus 12, 20. So we got our value of y. It's -4. Now as we have found all the values for equation 1, now equation 2 comes. 2x plus 3y equals to 0. That's equation 2. So we have to choose randomly any points, like the previous equation. To I have chosen -3, 0 and 3. So now let's find out what's the value of 5 when x equals to -3. So 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Then 2 minus 3 plus 3y equals to 0. Then minus 6 plus 3y equals to 0. 3y equals to 6. So now simplify it, and we got our value of 5 for the first value of x. So that's 2. Now move towards our second value of x, that's 0. So 2x plus 3y equals to 0. 2, 0 plus 3y equals to 0, and then 0 plus 3y, and 3y equals to 0. And then simplify it, 0, 0. So y equals to 0 when x equals to 0. So now our last value of x comes 2x plus 3y equals to 0. Then 2, our value of x, that's 3 plus 3y equals to 0. 3y equals to -6. So it would be -3. So we have found all the points that we have to mark. So let's plot them in the graph sheets. So here, as you can see, here is a graph, and here are the points that we found previously. So, and there is a scale x-axis 2 centimeter to 5 units. It means that 2 centimeter will be used to define 1 unit. So 5, and after 2 centimeter it will be 4, and after 2 centimeters it will be 3, and so on. And x-axis, the scale is same to it. So let's plot the points. So here, as you can see, the first value is -4 and y -8. So in this x, so here is -4 and here is -8. Here is -8. So here be the point. So here will be the point. Now we have plotted point 1 and then point 2, 1 and -6. So 1 in x-axis, 1 would be here, and then -6 would be 1 would be here, and -6 would be here. So here is the point. Yes, here is the point. And then our third point, which is 6 and -4. So 6 is here and -4 is here. So it would be our point. 6 and -4. Then this was our first equation, and then our second equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals to 0. So it was the first equation, and then the second equation, in which -3 and 2. So where is -3? -3 is here, and then 2. So 2 would be here. So it would be here. Yes. So then it comes to 0, 0. So 0, 0 would be here, and then it comes to 3 and -2. So 3, 1, 2 and 3. and then minus 2. So minus 2 would be here. So would be here. So now we have to make a line. So I have made the line, and as you can see, I have made the line according to the points, and the point of intersection in which the two lines on the same axis are intercepting is our answer. So in this, as you can see, it is intercepting on 6. It is intercepting on 6, and it is intercepting on minus 4. So 6 from x-axis and minus 4 from y-axis. So answer would be and minus 4. So that's for today. This was a very easy question of solving simultaneous linear equation by the help of graphical method. Hope you have learned it, and that was the last video of this chapter, and from the next class we will be moving towards our next chapter. Thank you.